Ceiling lights. Ideas for every room. Installing a new ceiling light is the easiest way to give a room a fresh update. But where to begin to choose a design? First off, there are two main types. A flush mount installs flush to the ceiling surface. A semi-flush mount light has a short stem or downrod that extends the light 4 or 6 inches below the ceiling. Why use a flush mount? Choose a flush mount if you have a low ceiling or want a more unobtrusive look. Why use a semi-flush mount? For rooms where you want general room lighting, semi-flush lights may be better. Lights will reflect off the ceiling while also shining downward from the fixture. Next, think about the shape and shade. Designs with a shade diffuse the light from the bulbs for a softer overall look. Lights with an open frame allow you to see the bulbs and may cast decorative shadows. In the bath, opt for a shade design where you want to diffuse illumination, say in a bath space. Kitchen lighting. A light with a dome or drum shade that's closed at the sides and open at the bottom is great for kitchen island lighting, or for anywhere you need light directed to a table or counter surface. Hallways and entryways. Ceiling lights of either type are ideal for hallway or entryway areas. In these spaces, you want enough illumination to navigate through the space. So consider the number of bulbs and the lumens or light output of a design. Designer tip: for any room, you'll get the most out of your ceiling lights when you use them with other light sources. This will give you a layered look that makes the room comfortable to be in and is adaptable to different activities. Use LEDs. Finally, if your light location is hard to reach, say over a stairwell, use an LED light or LED bulbs. Both should last you for years, so you won't have frequent bulb changes. Like and follow for more tips and ideas. Visit lampsplus.com.